Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
You're here with me.
Give us this day our daily
right
bread.
by my side.
As we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation.
You'll never leave. Well, I've tried to make it on my own, to keep it all afloat, but my ship has sprung a leak. These times have brought me to my knees, and though they're cut and sore, it's where I need to be. For you're here with me.
To be prepared for the temptations of this world. To be prepared for what God might allow to be thrown at you. Okay?
Right by
That's where you can go and see
side.
those verses and be challenged and know, putting on the armor of God
You'll
is where
never
that's where that comes in.
Amen.